Hello from me, Dina Marais, and today I want to talk to you about choice. You know, we make so many choices every day, hundreds of them, thousands of them. Most of them are subconscious. Most of them are about choices we're not even aware of that keep us stuck in our old paradigms, in the life that we have created so far. And it's when we really want to make a choice or a conscious choice for something that we often feel we don't have the permission to do so. Especially if that choice or that decision that you want to take is for you. Or especially if you want to invest in yourself. And then your subconscious will come with all the fears and the old beliefs and everything that it can use to actually talk you out of it. Because that would mean that you step out of your comfort zone. So, and this fear then is of taking that step, of making that decision, is then linked to the impact it will have on other people, especially people close to you. So your subconscious will come up with all the beliefs and tell you, you can't take off work. What about your meetings? You can't spend money on this. What about that other bill that you want to pay or that thing there that you want to buy? You know that starting your own business is pie in the sky. You'll never be able to do that. It's too risky. It's much better to stay in your job. How's that for? Security. Now, it's important to realize that unless you start giving yourself permission, that nobody else will. It's only when you can stand up for yourself and stand up for your own dreams and your own desires that things will happen. If you don't stand up for them, they will be put down continuously. If you don't put yourself first for a change, you will always end up at the back of the queue. And that leads to resentment. It leads to disease. It leads to deep unhappiness. And I further would like to tell you that you are powerful. You know that you are a spiritual being. You are a mind with a body. You are here with amazing talents and gifts that you ought to share. And you owe it to yourself to explore that. To explore the possibilities of that. And this is where a workshop like this one that I'm doing next week is so amazing. Because of the energy and the vibration that's there, it opens up your perception, it opens up your awareness to see possibilities that you have not seen before. That's a promise. So if you are thinking of doing this workshop, then take action. Do this for yourself. The rest will work out. Go to the link bit.ly/SoulPurpose Destiny. All one word, all small letters. I'll put the link below or above the video. But take that action now. This workshop is happening Tuesday in Johannesburg at Marais Guest House in Kailami, and also next Thursday on the 26th in Cape Town at Windboho in Panorama. Beautiful venues. And come and explore. Come make it an informed decision. Do this for you. Wherever you are in your journey now, if you've started your business and it's not doing well, you would really want to take it to the next level, you're probably just missing something. Or if you are thinking of starting a business, come and explore what it takes to do that. And also, see what are your next steps. I go so far as to say that if you attend this workshop and you find that you get no value from it, that you have no idea what to do next, that you cannot plot out your next steps, you're not inspired to do what you want to do, that I will give you your money back. That's a promise from me. That's how I know that you need to be there. It's my duty to share with you, as it is your duty to share your gifts with your clients, with the people that need you. So it's my duty to share my gifts with you. And I hope to see you there. I really would love to meet you and contribute to your amazing journey to manifest your amazing and awesome vision of who you are and what you are here to do on earth in this life. And that's without sounding hoo-hoo. That is the truth. So, again, go to the link, sign up today, share it with your friends. It's such a small investment for such a huge return that you will always remember, because this will change your life. I promise. I'll see you next week.